Hello everyone, I'm Santosh and we are back with the C programming classes. Okay, we will start with the next topic, that is constants. Let us see what is constant. Or before studying about the constants, we'll see why the constants are required. As you know, computer is a problem solving tool, and whenever a problem needs to be solved, we need to analyze what kind of data are required and when they are needed. Okay, and the data may be constant, variable, or whatever it is, but if it is constant, we need to study what is constant first. Okay, let us see what is constant. Let us consider a formula I have taken: C is equal to A plus B. If you place 10 in A and 20 in B, the result will be C. Here A, B, C are variables because depending upon the value of A and B, C value will change, and you can put any value in A, any value in B, and the result of C will be different according to the value of A and B. And hence here A, B, C are variables and 10, 20, 30 are constants because the value of 10 remains 10 always. It will never change. Value of 20 will be same, means value of 20 will be 20 always, and value of 30 will be 30 definitely. But the value of C can change, the value of A can change, the value of B can change, because according to the user's interest, he will place the value of A, he will place the value of B. Simple. Got it? And let us see what is constant in a programming way. Okay, constant is a value that cannot be changed during the program execution, and it is fixed. Whenever we are going to use the constant in the program, after execution of the program, the value of the constant will remain the same and it is fixed. Or you can say it is the quantity which does not changes its value during the program execution time or after execution. Let us see what are the types of constants. There are two types, mainly numeric and non-numeric. Numeric constants are again classified into integer constants and real constants, and character constants are again classified into character constants and string constants, or you may say non-numeric constants. And these are all constants can be used in the program. Definitely we are going to use the constants in the program to solve some of the problems. Okay, let us see what are constants and its types. Okay, constants are also called as literals. Okay, there are two types, as you know, numeric and non-numeric. Let us see what is numeric constant. Numeric constant is a sequence of digits. Commonly we are using in day-to-day life also numbers. Numbers are numeric constants and they can be positive or negative. And even again they are divided into two types, integer and real constants, and the both types can be used in the program. You can use integer constants as well as floating point constants, or you may say integer numbers and fraction numbers. We'll see what is integer constants. Integer constant is a whole number or you may say it is a number without a decimal point. These numbers can be used in the program. Simple. For example, simple numbers, they are constants because the value of these will never change. 100 will be 100, minus 8 will be minus 8, 0 will be 0. Okay, the values will never change, they are constants. And for the fractions, they call it as real constants, and these fractions can also be used in the program. It is a number with a decimal point, which has a decimal point. It is also called as floating point number. You can see some of the examples. 5.2 is a constant, which is fraction. These numbers can also be used in the program. There is no restrictions for using the numbers, like you cannot say that programs will not support fractions. Okay, you can also use fractions in the programs because some problems may require fractions also. Okay, got it? And the next type is non-numeric constants. Means these are the constants other than numbers, and they are also classified as character constants and string constants. We'll see what are those. Character constants means it is a single character and it can be identified by using the single quotes. You can see it is a single character, that is B, and it is written within the single quote, which means it is a character constant. And 5 is not a value here, it is considered as a character. That's why it is written inside the single quote. Even all the characters can be written in single quotes and they are identified as character constants. 5 is a character here, not the value. Okay, let's see what is string constant. It is a sequence of characters enclosed within double quotes. You can see I have written my name Santosh, and Santosh has many characters and it can be a string whenever you put it in double quotes. And here 1 2 3 is also not a number, it is a string. And even I have used some other example like Sani at 321, it is also a string. Can you guess what is your email ID? Email ID may include number as well as character, but you cannot say the number as number because it includes the character. Or I will take very good example to show you or to differentiate what is string and character. See, I have taken one of the payment application. You can see payment application images, phone pay image. Just see here in the left side there is a value 100. I have written 100. It is an integer and the app has recognized it as a number and it is showing the pay option because it has recognized it as a number. Just you see in the right side I have used 100 and O, and the app has recognized it as a string. It is not a number now, it is the combination of value and character. That's why it is a string, and app is not allowing to pay because it is not the number, it is a string. Okay, you are getting my point? Just observe with the another image. Here see in the left side, whenever you are paying through one of the app, if you write it as 100 rupees, it will never take it, or it will never going to allow you to pay, and it is considered as string constant. Even you can see in the right side, I have written 100 rupees rs. It is not allowing to pay because it is a combination of number and character, and it is called as string. I think you have got my point. If you have any doubts, you can comment. Okay, thank you.